Okay, we have two EL devices, solenoid driven, and I'm showing the proper adjustment for the plunger, which is this part, to go through to tell if it's properly adjusted. Push down the push bar as far as it'll go. Set the plunger until you can hear it physically hit the bottom of the thing. You should have about 1/8 of an inch gap between the jam nuts and the bottom of the bracket to be able to hold properly. This gives it a little bit of motion so it can start to go through and hold the device. This device here, the jam nut screws are pushed in all the way, so even when you push in the device, you're not seating the plunger, you're bottoming out on this, and this will not hold the device to go through. So it'll unlock the door, but it'll pop back out because it's not actually seated. And if you have these jam nuts turned all the way out, it'll set the plunger before the door pulls all the way down, so you'll not unlock the top rods to go through activating on the things.